road to cars?
I don't know. We're Lightning McQueen. Pachow. This is our first time returning back to Magic Kingdom. We have not been here since March. So this is exciting to return back, and they have redone the castle. So we got to see part of when they started painting it, but now it is, I don't know if it's all the way complete or if it's mostly complete, but it looks completely different.
Are you ready to see the new castle?
Yeah.
Are you ready to see it?
Mm-hmm.
Cover your eyes like this. We're gonna do the reveal. Hey! You have your eyes covered. Safely walk
Yeah,
my
this
way.
isn't gonna work.
Safely walk my way.
How do we know where your
No
way
looking.
is?
Are y'all ready to see that castle?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Give your hand.
Oh,
So what do you think?
it's different. Wow.
Different, huh? What do you like it? Yeah, you don't know? You're not sure? How about
You
you?
like it?
You liking that castle?
It's
Yeah?
okay.
All right, it's super hot. We can finally start our day at
hot.
lunchtime.
Yeah.
So we are going to
Whoa.
Splash Mountain.
See that duck?
No, I didn't.
It flew right over your head.
Ah, Donald. Always getting in the way, huh, Daisy? He's after you.
All right, so where were we going? You said lunch?
No, Splash Mountain. I need to go Splash Mountain and
I
cool
heard
down.
lunch. You heard lunch?
No,
I
155
heard
is lunch.
Splash Mountain.
Oh, she said lunch.
No.
Lunch.
Yay, lunch.
No, sorry.
Where'd they go? Where's my glasses? Oh my gosh! Why'd you make me sit up here?
You're the one that
We gotta go down that. Oh, we're going higher. Hey, stop pulling on that. I'm getting crushed. Yeah, I'm gonna fly out.
Yes, I will.
No, you're not.
Yes, I will.
There you go, now. Oh, this is it. We're going. Ah! Oh. Ah! Oh my gosh, I got soaked.
I got it. Eyes. I can't see.
Oh.
I can't see.
How you doing back there, Brian Rose?
Okay, like pull me down.
Yeah, pull you down. That ride was awesome.
It was. It was Daisy's and Bright Rose's first time going on that ride.
Is that your first time? Really?
You never been on it before?
Are you serious?
Yes, I think every time, like, it was under construction for a while, and then it was like winter time, so you didn't want to get wet. So now she finally got to ride Splash
How
Mountain.
do you like it?
Loved it.
Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. How about you?
Loved it.
Loved it?
Yeah, were you a little nervous about it?
You were nervous first, weren't you?
Very nervous.
But you loved it, didn't you?
Yeah.
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 How was it?
It was good. Thunder Mountain's always good, so it was fast. We counted how many mountain goats did we see. How many mountain goats did we see?
I saw 1, 2, and then the same one again, and then 3.
Where to next?
Lunchtime.
Ooh, lunch.
Lunch.
Not a lot of people, is there?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Really hot out though.
Yeah, it's a little warm. You gotta drink a lot of water.
Oh, I'm so full.
That was good, wasn't it?
That was really good. We ate at the Jungle Navigation Skipper Canteen
It was good until we met Bill.
until we met the bill. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, but
All right, where are we going now?
Jungle Cruise.
Jungle Cruise. All right, Jungle
All right.
Cruise. All right. They heard thunder and they shut it down.
so we're running to Pirates before the crowd gets too
everybody
big.
is running to Pirates. Look at
Yeah.
everybody just running.
I kind of figured that was gonna happen.
Pirates, did you remember there was a drop?
On Pirates of the Caribbean,
Did you remember that? How you like that?
hold on to your ears.
Yep.
Yep.
No, I actually didn't.
No?
Well, it looks like most of the rain came through while we were on the ride or standing inside in the line. So hopefully we'll be lucky now and avoid all the rain for the rest of the day. What do you think?
What do you
We're
think?
that lucky?
Think we're good?
That would be like a 50-50 chance.
Yeah, we live in Florida, so where are we going? You ever been this way?
I've never been this way to the Haunted Mansion. I
Yes.
thought we were like loading up on the boat.
Is this a new route to the Haunted Mansion?
This is a new route to the Haunted Mansion.
It does look like we're going on the boat because the boat's right there.
You think we're gonna go into where the wall stretches?
Ooh, are we?
I don't
Is it gonna
know.
be crowded? How are they gonna do that?
I don't know. I think we're gonna bypass it, which kind of stinks because I do like that part.
Yeah, didn't we just start right here?
Yeah. All right.
So?
I survived.
Me too.
I survived. I'm very happy. I survived the haunted mansion.
Woohoo! You like it?
Yeah.
Was it scary, Bar Rose?
Yeah.
Hey, I like that horse. You think I love it? It's invisible.
So we didn't get to the part though where it like the walls move.
No.
I know. So that part's a little.
You walk through it.
You just walk through it now. But it's still an awesome ride.
Yeah.
Still one of my favorites.
It's Rapunzel. You see Rapunzel?
Rapunzel, let down your
Look
hair.
at Rapunzel. Did they speed up Peter Pan?
I felt like they really sped it up because I felt like we went through the ride in like 30 seconds. It was super fast.
Did that feel fast to you?
Yeah, it was like 20 seconds. Oh, by the way, we saw Ariel.
You did?
So Ariel.
Did-
Yeah, we saw the Ariel.
Did it feel like we were flying or something?
Yeah, it was like zooming.
Yeah. I thought it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like really fast.
I was like, man, this ride's over.
I think we believe.
Alright.
Okay, so they sped up Peter Pan. It was super quick, and It's a Small World was dragging on. We were bumping the boat in front of us.
My legs hurt.
Bumper boats. We were playing bumper boats.
We're playing bumper boats. And it's okay. We have an hour and a half to get as much done as possible. We are going to Little Mermaid, which has a 5-minute wait.
Ooh, Little Mermaid. So what do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome?
Did it match your outfit? Do you feel like Ariel?
Yep.
You like it?
Of course. I
Good
love it.
stuff?
Were you annoyed with me singing along the whole time?
She sang the whole time.
I did. I sang the whole
The whole
time.
time, Daisy.
What is it?
Your mom sang the whole time. Where we go? Where we going?
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain? You're going on Space Mountain? Maybe?
I'm not going on.
Was that a maybe? That you said maybe?
I'm going on Space Mountain.
Yeah? I know Tyler's going. Oh yeah. I know Daisy going.
Yeah, I'm going.
The ball's turned off. It doesn't move. No.
We're safe.
Oh man. Look at that. Oh.
I know, but they are building Tron.
Yeah. Tyler.
What are you doing back there, Tyler? Is that what we sound like? Press that gas!
Yeah.
Press that gas!
You kept bumping into us.
We had some slow people in front of us.
That's it.
We had some slow people.
Hold on, let me explain. So the car in front of us was broke.
Back there?
Yeah, right
That car?
Yeah, that car right there. So the car in front of us was broke, and you had to stay on the track.
Y'all were slow.
Because we couldn't go any faster because the car in front of us was going and we were right behind them.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at fast, huh? Get them out of the way!
Pushed us the whole way through. They're like, bump.
Y'all were slow. We
Bump.
want to go.
Ah.
Go, 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 go! Right?
I just wanted to go regular speed, okay?
Regular speed. Regular fast. Alright, you ready to go on the carousel?
Yeah.
How am I gonna do?
Okay, I guess.
I'm not gonna get sick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I go on it then? Did you like Winnie the Pooh? Was that fun?
Yeah.
That was a fun ride,
It
wasn't
was
it?
short.
It like went up and down a lot. And this way.
Front speaker.
Yeah. Why didn't you warn me about that? How was the roller coaster?
It was good. It's a short roller coaster, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. I like that one a lot. Daisy, you like that one?
Yeah.
And then I went on Winnie the Pooh.
You went on Winnie the Pooh?
It's a little bumpy.
Okay, last time you got so sick off Winnie the Pooh that you're so mad at me because you went on Winnie the Pooh. And
Yeah. Did I
who
do good?
convinced you?
Bright Rose did. Did I do good? Yeah. And what else did we go on, Bright Rose?
We went on the carousel.
Wait. Time out. You went on the carousel. You never go on the carousel. You hate the carousel.
I went on the little horse.
That didn't move?
Well, it moves, but it's the closest one in.
Oh, okay.
It's the little kitty horse.
So I think your motion sickness is cured and now you can go on all the rides.
On the adult horse.
She went on the big horse. Her horse like went above my head.
That is awesome. Did you laugh at that?
You ready to go through the castle?
No, because that means we have to go home.
I know.
We went through the castle and now Disney's closing. So all of our fun is about to end.
I know.
Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we'll be visiting Disney again very soon now that things are opening back up. And we will be seeing you in our next upload.